Hello everyone, it's great to see you again and I hope you are all doing well. Valentine's Day is around the corner, so in this episode I'm going to arrange some flowers for the bedroom. Then I'm going to make some spicy romantic Huevos Rancheros. You might like to make the same breakfast either for yourself or for someone you love.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts.
I always have fresh flowers in my bedroom. In addition to the beauty they contribute, cut flowers bring me a sense of calm. If you feel anxious at night, try placing a simple bouquet on your bedside table. Studies have shown that fresh flowers reduce anxiety. For the bedroom fireplace mantle, I'm combining pastel pink roses with greenery from my winter garden.
You're the rose in a garden.
The roses were not expensive. They are budget blooms from my local supermarket.
You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh.
For a small table near my bedside, I'm combining green and yellow chrysanthemums with white hydrangea. Chrysanthemums are great for arrangements because they last a very long time. So I'm trying to make a grid here. Hydrangea. Just for a touch of white. When you arrange flowers, you just have to be fearless. For supermarket flowers, I think this arrangement turned out very well. As a special treat for Valentine's Day, I'm going to make Mr. Fox's favorite thing for breakfast, and that is Huevos Rancheros. So I have my saucepan over medium heat, and I'm going to add one 15-ounce can, that's 425 grams of black beans. And I did rinse and drain these beans. Add 1 cup or 236 ml of salsa picante. Cook this mixture long enough for it to become warm. Also add a bit of cumin, half to 1 teaspoon. And I am preheating my oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. Turn off the heat and then mash the beans with a potato masher. Onto the eggs, or the huevos. I'm going to cook them in my electric skillet because I have more room here, and I'm going to spray the skillet with some avocado spray. And just for fun, I'm going to use my English muffin rings to create these perfectly round eggs. A little pepper. And a little pinch of salt. Now spread some of the black bean mixture on crisp tortillas. Now I buy my tortillas already fried and very crisp. I think you can buy these in any supermarket. If you can't find them, then Just buy corn tortillas and fry them in oil. Spread the bean mixture over each tortilla. This smells so good. I really wish you were here. Mr. Fox likes his eggs over easy. I like mine sunny side up. I'm going to pop these into the preheated oven just to keep the Huevos Rancheros warm. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the garnish. Tomato, and I'm going to seed this. It's very easy to do. Just cut the tomato in half, squeeze it over a bowl. I only want the tomato flesh, not the pulp. I really don't like tomato seeds in things. Dice the tomato. And of course, we cannot have Huevos Rancheros without cilantro. Just going to roughly chop this. Smells wonderful. Would you believe that I used to loathe cilantro when I was younger? Then one day, I suddenly loved cilantro. As a side, I'm going to serve avocado. I use a spoon to remove the avocado from its shell. And then just cut this into wedges. And to stop the avocado from browning, I'm going to give it a short squirt of fresh lime juice. For beverages, I'm serving coffee and also orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice. Nothing says love like freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm using this old-fashioned juicer, which works remarkably well. I bought 2 of these bed trays on Amazon, and I will link them in the description below. They're really nice because they have legs. So this actually sits on your lap, and you can move this really close to your body so you don't spill anything. I'm going to garnish the Huevos Rancheros. Crumbled Queso Fresco. Diced tomato. Cilantro. And another dusting of Queso Fresco. Flowers are not optional. Not for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day, anyway. Well, Mr. Fox is not here. Also, he really does not like to appear on camera. So it's me enjoying this breakfast in bed. Huevos Rancheros offers so many layers of flavor. I love the corn tortilla, the warm bean mixture, and the crispy-edged egg. This really is the perfect breakfast. And of course, fresh squeezed orange juice. There's nothing like fresh squeezed orange juice. Thank you for taking time out of your day in order to spend a few moments with me. I really appreciate your company. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye for now.